Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
Okay. So I'll wait. This can go sideways. Court does call the case of the people versus Jeffrey Bloom.
On behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sam Bernstein with and on behalf of Mr. Bloom, approaching the podium.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning.
We're here for a competency hearing, Your Honor. We've received a copy of the report.
You did.
Doesn't look like the court has.
I have not.
I could forward it to your staff if you'd like.
Okay. Do you have a copy with you or? Yeah. What does it indicate? I can give them mine.
It indicates that Mr. Bloom is competent, and I would be
Okay.
stipulating to the report.
Okay. I do need a report. I do need a copy of it because I have to review it before making a find.
Okay.
Presuming that is going to be the finding, and I'll wait so I can at least review it. What are we going to do on this case?
Right now, Your Honor, we're going to be asking for an adjournment of 2 weeks. There are certain discovery requests. We've reviewed the police report. It's that there are copies of reports from 5 or 6 different correctional officers that were not attached to the police report, as well as a written statement from the main complainant, which states that it's been attached, but it hasn't been attached. And we're also going to be asking for body cam videos from Sergeant Craig that states would be part of the discovery, but we don't have that yet, Your Honor. So I think 2 weeks should be enough time for us to get those. I'll send an email to Ms. Barroso later today specifying that, Your Honor. So we're going to be asking for an adjournment to make that happen.
Can I speak?
Well, I'll ask the court first, but yeah. And Mr. Bloom would like to make a statement to the court as well, Your Honor.
Oh, this never goes well.
Good morning. Good morning. Your Honor, do you remember you blatantly ordered the public defender's office to give me these copies of these officers' reports and look how long it's been and they still.
I don't know whether or not, I don't have a note that I did that. I don't recall that.
Okay, well, it's been since October and they've failed to provide any of this information. Your Honor, if I might put something on the record regarding this case, not to deal with the case, but to deal with me having very little sleep due to a highly painful tooth that I'm being refused care for by the WellPath dentist, same staff who are falsely accusing me of battery on Rocky, a WellPath nurse. I've written multiple kites on one page, no paper trail kites. There's no proof that I've even written a kite. So I've gotten no response, but I've had a Midnight Sergeant Christopher D come tell me that I'm being denied dental treatment because of, get this, security issues. These same people who have falsely accused me of injuring them have even denied me Tylenol or Motrin for several days in a row, and all correction staff are indifferent to any requests for help. And the lieutenant over healthcare, Lieutenant Thomas Arnett, whose staff say he and Cindy DeBeau are an item, well, he has even gone as far as to manipulate my phone and spread a blatant lie stating no one wants to have contact with me. My mother, father, no one. I've proven this to be a lie, Your Honor, but he is also over the phone system. So yeah, he refuses to answer as to who in fact has told him they want no contact. I've been denied even basic human necessities for over a year, Your Honor, and several COs have told me they don't understand it and will testify for me in court. But Lieutenant Arnett, along with his people, will use any means to justify their malevolent actions, saying I don't accept responsibility for my actions and behaviors. Even when I'm denied Tylenol for days with excruciating dental pain, WellPath has stopped me from taking Parkinson's meds and other meds because they've tried to give me the wrong meds 5 times, Your Honor, in the past year. 2 sergeants threw away this evidence And Sergeant Cena Justice even had a major misconduct written on me because all I wanted from her was documentation that this happened. Okay, I've got an officer that will testify to that also. I have evidence to support to all I claim, Your Honor. If someone is seeing this, a civil attorney or anyone who can help me, please be sure to contact me and not be deceived or manipulated by jail staff or WellPAT. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. I've received the report, and the parties are stipulating to the report. And based upon that report, the court would find that the defendant is competent to stand trial, specifically that the defendant can understand the nature and objects of the proceedings against him and can rationally assist in his defense. Therefore, the defendant is deemed competent. Mr. Bernstein, I need an order sent to the court for my signature.
Yes, Your Honor.
And then we'll adjourn this matter out to February
February what?
21st.
21st, 2024 at 9 a.m. And hopefully we'll have all of the information that's requested at that time. All right.
Thank you,
Thank
Your
you.
Honor.
Thank you.
So much.
Okay.
You too.